welcome to our channel. Okay, so today we are going to be seeing which squishies are the best and which ones are the worst. Let's get started. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. What do I have in my hand?
I have milk. I have milk.
No, you're... Okay.
I have a football.
Now, open up.
I have
Now,
I got milk.
now we gotta see. Now everybody squish theirs, and we gotta see which one.
Is the slowest.
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. 1, 2, 3. Let go. I think mine's out. Mine's out. Is yours out, Danielle?
No.
Yeah, because you're holding it out.
This one would, because you
Yeah.
are holding yours.
So that one is still in, and these ones are losers.
Loses.
Close the eyes.
This one. Oh, I got an LOL one. See? I got like an LOL thingy. I don't know.
So you need to pick one. Okay, I'm closed.
Super
Oh, it's
squishy, I guess.
What do I got?
You got a unicorn.
You got the sea.
Wait, no.
I was about to say sea
I
unicorn.
squished it. Wait until it rises.
Okay.
Hold on, people.
Hold on. So I got this LOL one. I don't.
Okay, let's go on our knees, guys. Okay, so
That's
ready.
cheating.
Squish it.
3, 2, 1.
Let go. Danielle, stop holding it.
Yeah. Danielle, yours is out.
Yep, mine's out.
Mine's still rising.
Mine's a loser.
Oh,
Yours
mine
is
won.
out.
Yep, mine won.
Loser.
Where's the bad side?
Right there.
Where's the football?
Okay.
Two eyes.
Oh, I think. Yep, I got the cinnamon roll.
I got this.
Oh.
That was slow. I have this.
Look at this. Look what she got, people. Look what she got. Look what she got.
Give it to me.
Whoa.
Okay, ready?
Hello.
1, 2, 3.
Three.
Squish. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3,
Let
let
go.
Delaney, I think yours is gonna win.
Emily, that one's
Mine's
out.
out.
Mine's
yours
almost out.
Delaney, scoot over some because you're not in mine. No, this way.
Okay.
Because you guys can both be in it.
Mine's out.
And then
Mine won.
She got the best squishy of all times.
Okay.
The best one.
Okay, now it's the
Danielle, put yours in the bad pile.
Bad.
Close your eyes
And
pick your squishy. What did I get? I got
Open
strawberries.
your eyes.
What's-
I saw you cheat.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we
You got-
got.
Danielle got-
I got a sandwich. I mean, I guess.
We all got food.
Oh,
Okay.
But I got the.
strawberry.
I got French fries.
And I got a broken sandwich.
That's show it to them.
It's like this is. I mean, like it's a.
Guys,
it's a
let's get
sandwich.
on our knees.
1.
2,
3. Squish.
Delaney, get in this one now.
Let go.
Oh.
Emily, is yours out yet?
Yeah, now it is. Actually, that one wasn't really fair.
Do you want to redo it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see
Because
this.
like, I let go.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Let go.
That wasn't fair again. You said 3, 2, 1, and then you're like, let go.
Okay, let's do it again.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Squeeze. 1,
2, 3.
3.
Let go.
It's gonna be out soon, but not yet. No, mine's out.
Mine's not out yet.
Yes, yours is.
Yeah, mine.
And then
dollar store.
Delaney, yours is winning all of them. Okay.
Oh, this one was a loser.
Oh, I got this little whale, but it's kind of broken.
I got a
Look.
body with a one ear.
Squishy. I got this one.
Oh, that
I
one.
got-
That's like the hard
I
one.
got a buddy with a one ear.
And I got.
Buddy with a one
Oh,
ear.
that one's gonna win.
Oh yeah. that one's
Ready?
gonna win.
1,
3, 2, 3.
one.
Squeeze.
3,
2, 1.
One,
Let go.
Guys, you have to get in mine.
Oh, you have to get mine too, Delaney. Mine's out.
Mine's out.
Okay.
Here's one. It's almost like all Delaney's is winning.
I feel like guys.
Okay.
Danielle, your eyes were open.
Yeah,
I
she's
saw
always
that.
cheating.
I got this one.
What is this?
Ooh, I need a pineapple.
We had pancakes this morning.
This is a pineapple.
Mine's the worst.
Who cares?
Let's go.
I gotta see unicorn, people. See
You
unicorn.
guys do unzoom yours because like we need to like get us in more.
in though.
It is?
No, it's not.
For you? Okay, let's all just back up more.
Yeah.
So
Whoa.
everyone can be in.
My bag.
Okay.
3,
3,
2, 1.
3,
2, 1. Let go.
Delaney, you got mine one. I'm still rising.
Oh, Danielle, your eyes were open. I saw that.
Yeah.
Okay, I got one.
Okay, now pick
Got an
yours.
LOL.
I still have to pick mine.
I
Oh,
got
it's horrible.
I got a kitty cat.
Help me.
Is that really good or bad?
It's bad. Poor kitty cat. It's all.
I got my first squishy. Whoa, everything stuck to it. Like.
Whoa.
Okay, Ellie, yours.
I
I got my first
Actually,
squishy
back up.
Delaney, you glued that. Remember?
Wait, Emily, can you like
3,
put yours?
2.
I can't see my
Wait,
hand.
no, Danielle, stop.
You need to like put it up like more.
Right here.
Everybody back up.
Back up. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Shake your booty.
Release.
Mine's out. The way you were holding it, kind of, but now you're fixed it. But
Is it out? Yeah, it's out.
Yep.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Danielle, your eyes are open.
No, they aren't. They were for a second. Oh, that one's bad.
oh wow, I gotta wait.
This is mine.
I got cow.
You got Moo Moo. We got Moo Moo. We got a Moo Moo in the house. Moo.
I got a broken pineapple.
Broken pineapple.
Guys, let's get like back here. So I
You
don't
don't need a meal.
And I don't know what this is.
It's a sloth.
It's a sloth.
Okay.
Okay, it's a
So,
sloth.
1, 2,
2, 3.
Squeeze.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. Release.
Oh, that's the best.
Mine's out.
Emily, yours is out.
Okay.
I wonder which one will win, the cow or this one. I'm picking first. The one Danielle.
I'm not cheating.
Got mine.
Got something soft.
That's
Oh, I got another. I got my second LOL one.
Oh, I got this one. I got this
Oh,
one.
I love that one. It's my
I got
favorite.
this LOL one.
Everybody back up.
Oh, wait, I have to show mine up close though, because it's very small.
I got
this little guy.
I got look at this LOL one.
I got this one.
Okay, so
I think mine's gonna lose.
3, 2, 1. Squeeze. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Release.
Emily, yours is out.
Not yet. Now it is though.
I'll still hold it for the like.
Danielle's.
Yeah.
I did one.
I bet that one.
There.
Danielle, you know.
After all the squishies, we're gonna all pick from the good and worst. What is this?
This one. I don't know.
I got a unicorn horn.
I
got a
unicorn.
Horn.
I got a kitty.
unicorn horn.
I got a kitty cupcake.
I feel like I'm gonna lose.
It's a kitty cupcake.
Whoa, I got like a unicorn ear.
Oh.
It goes to this.
And I got a kitty.
I feel
got
like
a
these
kitty.
go together though.
I got a little kitty. I got a little kitty. Meow, meow, meow.
Danielle's might lose this. I don't know.
1, 2, 3.
1,
2, 3.
Release.
Mine's out.
Mine's out.
Mine's out.
No, Danielle. This was a tie. We had to squish them again.
1, 2, 3.
Release. Yours is out.
Yep.
Mine's the winner. The winner.
The unicorn. Okay.
It's not gonna win though.
Got mine.
I got mine.
Guess this one.
I got the bad.
I got a hot dog of the bed.
I got a bad one too. There's like no more good ones.
Well, these two I know can't be in there because they're just little costumes for them.
And your eyes are open.
Well, I'm not looking in it, duh.
Oh, this one's horrible.
Yeah, we all got bad ones. And we all got
Mine's
food.
gonna be the worst. Everybody back up.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Squish.
As hard as you can.
Yeah, I have
3,
2,
1.
1. Release.
Mine's out.
Mine's out. Use
Okay,
mine.
but that one's still bad.
Okay.
I have a little
I got
tail.
I got a brain.
I
got a brain.
I
got a brain.
A tail.
I got a brain.
Oh, Ters is gonna lose. Oh my
This
god.
isn't even a squishy.
It's a stress reliever.
Well, this isn't squishy, but okay.
We just show our small ones. This is mine.
This is
I don't
my.
know
I have a
what it is.
brain. I have a brain. I have a brain. This is a stress tray. This isn't even squishy. So
Back us.
okay. 1, 2, 3. Squish.
1,
2, 3.
Release.
Mine's
Danielle's
done.
out.
Because I isn't even
Yours
a
is out.
squishy anyway.
That lasted longest.
That mine wasn't even a squishy anyway. So. Wait. I got.
Oh, I got the terrible one.
I got this. I don't know what this
Wait,
is.
there's only like one more.
What is this? It's
Ugh.
this is the smallest squishy ever.
I got the
It's
worst
not the
squishy.
smallest. I
got
got
the
this.
worst
one. Oh yeah, yours is small.
I got the smallest
Wait, when I
squishy.
press it, release it.
Look at this. I got a small. This
Come on,
is so
let's squish.
small.
3,
2, 1.
Squish. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Release.
Mine's out.
Mine's out.
Mine's.
You're the winner.
Yay!
I got
Dun,
the
dun, dun, dun.
There's only one more squishy. Okay. Well, that's actually the one that you had. So we're done.
So we're done.
Okay, now we have to pick from the good one and find out which one's the good one's in here. Put the good ones.
Yeah, put the good ones. Oh, whoa.
And go. Okay.
Oh, I got this one.
I got this one. Got the strawberry.
Again.
Let's squish them.
1, 2, 3.
Squish. Wait, I need to like sit on this. I can't squish it. And 1,
2, 3. Release.
Emily,
What?
it's out. Emily, that's out.
Oh. Not wrong.
Danielle, yours is out.
No, it's still going up from
Yeah,
there.
I was going from it.
Danielle, that one.
Yay! Dun, dun, dun,
Okay, now
dun,
we gotta
dun.
put it away, Danielle.
Wait, what?
Emily. Danielle.
Okay. Oh,
I got the
look
white
at
scoop bag.
this.
Oh, I got this one.
Bunny, I'm a bunny.
Yours is not our brand. We have the same brand though.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Release.
I like.
Whoa.
Yours is about to be.
I am right here.
Yours is out
Wait.
now.
No, the bottom.
Delaney, yours is out. I meant Danielle, yours is out.
No?
Mine's the winner.
Yeah, it was.
Oh,
Mine was. Okay, 1, 2,
2, 3.
Okay, I got mine.
Got mine.
Got a donut.
I got a pineapple.
I got a
Hello.
donut. Hello.
Guys, we got scoop it. I got a pineapple.
I got this one.
Well, okay, guys, you gotta scoot over because I can't.
Yeah, Danielle's not in anything.
1, 2, 3.
Squish. 1,
2, 3. Release.
This one's gonna be close.
It's gonna be close.
Gonna be close.
Mine's not.
Mine's still going up.
So I'm just gonna like put my hand there. Oh, this one's out.
Yours is out.
Yep, Danielle's is a winner.
Woo!
Wow. Pick. Wait. This one never got it. I got mine.
Okay. Oh, I got a.
I got this.
I got an ear.
I got this.
I got an ear. An
Let's do
ear. Okay.
Wait, there's one. Oh, I thought there was
1, 2, 3.
There's not enough. 1,
2, 3. Release.
Mine's out.
Mine's out.
Yours one.
There's 2 more squishies.
No, there's not. Put them in bad. There's not enough. Okay, now we have to verse these.
Okay, pick.
Wait, no, we have to put them in.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, whoa, one came out. Okay, it was this one.
Two, three. Oh, I got the panda again.
I got this one.
I got the panda. I got the panda. Oh,
Yummy
this
bear.
is gonna be
It's
close.
called a yummy bear. I got
It's
this.
a yummy bear. Wait, a yummy bear? That doesn't make sense.
It's a yummy
3,
bear.
2, 1.
Because they have like foods and they're bears.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, release.
This is gonna be close. I'm gonna just hold it.
Danielle, that one's out.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yeah,
It's
it's out.
out. Yours. 1.
Okay, so pineapple one.
Which shirt that we have? Let me show you.
Introducing the squishy from Allen Park, the Dollar Tree, Allen Park Dollar Tree.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Everybody game.
Bye.